students, welcome to AJ Akshar Academy YouTube channel. In this session, I am going to discuss ray optics, problems on reflection of light through spherical mirrors part 2. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and please share your valuable comments in the comment section. Okay, let us go to the today's session, problems on reflection of light through spherical mirrors part 2. Go to the first question. A 4.5 centimeters needle is placed 12 centimeters away from a convex mirror of focal length 15 centimeter. The position of the image and magnification respectively. Here in this question we have to calculate position of the image and magnification we have to calculate. Let us go to the solution. Given m is equals to, here we have to calculate magnification, and given convex mirror of focal length 15 centimeter. Okay, now f is equals to, they given as 15 centimeter, and object distance they given as here 12 centimeters away from a convex mirror. So u they given as 12 centimeter, and magnification m is equals to f by f plus u. So substituting values, that is equals to f nothing but 15 by 15 plus 12. So that is equals to 15 by 15 plus 12, 27. So m is equals to, magnification is equals to, we are getting 15 by 27. That implies 3 5s, 3 9s are 27. So m is equals to 5 by 9. Now we are finding image distance v is equals to f of 1 minus m. F of 1 minus m nothing but here we calculated 5 by 9. So that is equals to f of LCM. Here f they given as 15 centimeter. Now substituting 15 of 1 minus 5 by 9. LCM 9 minus 5, 4 by 9. So 15 4 ja 60 by 9. So therefore v is equals to 60 by 9, that is equals to 6.7 centimeter. So therefore position of the image v is equals to 6.7 centimeter. This is the final answer. Okay, next we will go to the next question. At what distance from a convex mirror of focal length 2.5 centimeter should a boy stand so that his image has a height equal to half of the original height? Now let us go to the solution. Here we have to calculate the original height. Here what distance we have to calculate from the convex mirror? M is equals to f by f plus u, that is equals to height of the image by height of the object, that is equals to 1 by 2. Here they given as his image has a height equal to the half of the original height. So that is equals to, so m is equals to f by f plus u, that is equals to, we are getting 1 by 2. So from this we are writing f by f plus u is equals to 1 by 2. Now taking cross multiplication, 2 into f, 2f, that is equals to f plus u. So here 2f minus f, f. So from this we are writing f is equals to u, or we can write it as u is equals to, or U is equals to F. So U is equals to 2.5 meters from mirror. This is the distance from a convex mirror. So U is equals to, we are getting final answer 2.5 meters from the mirror. Okay. Next we will go to the next. In this question, a plane mirror is placed 25 centimeters in front of a concave mirror of focal length 10 centimeter. Find where an object can be placed between the two mirrors so that the first image in both the mirrors coincides. Here, now let us go to the solution. They given here, we have to situate a plane mirror in front of a concave mirror. This is a concave mirror. Here we are taking concave mirror, and this is the principal axis. Now we have to situate a plane mirror which is at a distance of 25 centimeter, which is from this mirror to 25 centimeter. They given here a plane mirror is placed. This is the plane mirror. We are placing a plane mirror which is a distance of 25 centimeter. Here we are placing the object, and from here to here x, and from here to here 25 minus x, and here is the image place, and here from here to here also we have to assume that it is x. Total distance from here to here 25 plus x. Okay. Now here they given f is equals to 10 centimeter. Now for next, for concave mirror, for concave mirror, U is equals to minus of 25 minus x, and V is equals to minus of 25 plus x. F they given as minus 10 centimeter. Now from mirror formula, 1 by U plus 1 by V is equals to 1 by F. Now substituting minus 1 by 25 minus x plus minus V here 25 plus x minus 25 plus x. Here we return minus, that is equals to minus 1 by 10. Now taking LCM, 25 plus x plus 25 minus x. Here minus 25 minus x, minus 25 minus of minus plus x by 25 minus x, 25 plus x. It is in the formation of a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square, that is equals to 1 by 10. Here now here entire we are taking minus as a common, minus minus gets cancels. Here 25 plus x plus 25 minus x. Here also x plus x minus x cancel. 20 by 25 plus 25 50. So 50 by 25 square minus x square is equals to 1 by 10. Now taking cross multiplication, this we are getting 25 square minus x square is equals to 50 into 10, that is 500. So 25 whole square nothing but 625 minus x square is equals to 500 minus x square is equals to 25 625 minus 500. Here minus minus gets cancels, so x square is equals to 625 minus 500, or else here minus x square will going that side plus x square, and 500 we are getting this side minus 500. So x square is equals to 625 minus 500. So x square is equals to, we are getting 125. So x is equals to root of 125. So root 125, that is 11.2 centimeter. So this is final answer. Okay. Therefore distance x is equals to 11.2 centimeter. Okay. Next we will go to the next question. In this question, an object is placed in front of a convex mirror at a distance of 50 centimeter. A plane mirror is introduced covering the lower half of the convex mirror. If the distance between the object and the plane mirror is 30 centimeters, it is found that there is no parallax between the images formed by two mirrors. Radius of curvature of the convex mirror will be. Here we have to calculate radius of curvature of the convex mirror. Okay. Now let us go to the solution. Now first here let us go to the solution. This is convex mirror. Here we are taking object, here O is the object, and here a plane mirror is introduced covering the lower half of the, this is principal axis, and here we are introducing the, this is the principal axis, and here we are introducing the plane mirror which is at a distance between the object and the plane mirror, they given as 30 centimeter, and here in between this 20, here the remaining distance is 20 centimeter, and image, this is the image distance here, and image distance is 10 centimeter. Okay. Now for convex mirror, for convex mirror, u is equals to, they given as minus 50 centimeter. Here 50 centimeters they given, an object is placed in front of a convex mirror at a distance of 50 centimeters, nothing but they given object distance, that is u. U is equals to 50 centimeters. As per the rules for sign convention, we are using minus sign here. Now v is equals to 10 centimeter, and from the mirror formula, from mirror formula, 1 by u plus 1 by v is equals to 1 by f. Now substituting values, 1 by minus 50 plus 1 by 10 is equals to 1 by f. Now 1 by f is equals to minus 1 plus 5 by 50. So that is equals to 4 by 50. 1 by f is equals to 4 by 50. Then f is equals to 50 by 4. So radius of curvature is equals to radius of curvature r is equals to 2 into f, that is equals to 2 into 50 by 4. 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 ones are 2 25s are. So radius of curvature is equals to 25 centimeters. Therefore r is equals to, we are getting 25 centimeters. This is the final answer. Okay, radius of curvature of convex mirror is 25 centimeter. Okay, next we'll go to the next question. An object O is placed in front of a small plane mirror M1 and a large convex mirror M2 of focal length F. The distance between O and M1 is X and the distance between M1 and M2 is Y. The image of O object, this is O, the image of O formed by M1 and M2 coincides, then the magnitude of F is, here we have to calculate magnitude of F. Now let us go to the solution. Here this is here we are taking a convex mirror. This is a convex mirror and this is object and this is principal axis, and here a small plane mirror M1. Here this is a small plane mirror. We are placing the small plane mirror on the principal axis at a distance of x from the object, and from mirror to this distance is y, and from this is the image position and image distance is x minus y, and this is a mirror M2. Now here from this mirror M1 to image they given as distance x. Okay, now next from object to they given the distance from object, this from here to distance x plus y from up to this mirror. Now this distance is x plus y. Okay, now for convex mirror, for convex mirror u is equals to minus of x plus y, and v is equals to, and v is equals to x minus y. From this here, now from mirror formula 1 by u plus 1 by v is equals to 1 by f. Now substituting values, 1 by u nothing but minus of x plus y plus 1 by v nothing but x minus y is equals to 1 by f. Now taking LCM, here minus of x minus y plus x plus y by, here in the form of a plus b into a minus b, x square minus y square is equals to 1 by f. Here minus x minus of minus plus y plus x plus y by x square minus y square is equals to 1 by f. Minus x plus x cancel. No, so 1 by f is equals to y plus y 2y by x square minus y square. So therefore focal length f is equals to, we are writing, therefore focal length 1 by f is equals to 2y by x square minus y square. So f is equals to x square minus y square by 2y. This is the final answer. Okay, next we will go to the next question. A square of side 3 centimeters is placed 25 centimeters in front of a concave mirror of focal length 10 centimeter with its center on the axis of the mirror and its plane normal to the axis. The area enclosed by the image of the wire is. Here now let us go to the solution. Here we are taking a square and this square side 3 centimeters. We are placing the square on this principal axis, and here we are taking this concave mirror, and which is placed at a distance of 25 centimeters. Here this is the square side 3 centimeters and it is placed 25 centimeters from in front of the concave mirror of focal length 10 centimeter. Okay, now given u is equals to, they given u is equals to minus 25 centimeter and f is equals to minus 10 centimeter and v is equals to, we have to calculate v. Area enclosed by the image of the wire is. Now from the mirror formula, 1 by u plus 1 by v is equals to 1 by f. Now substituting the values 1 by minus 25 plus 1 by v, we have to calculate minus 1 by 10. So 1 by v is equals to, this can be written as 1 by 25 minus 1 by 10. So taking this LCM, we are writing this next, v is equals to 1 by v is equals to, taking LCM 2 minus 5 by 30, that is equals to minus 3 by 30. So here 25, 15 LCM, here we are taking LCM 50, 2 minus 5 by 50, so this 3 by 50, so 1 by v is equals to 3 by 50, then v is equals to, we are getting minus 50 by 3 centimeter. Now a image is minus v square by u square into area enclosed by the image of the wire is. Here area, a image nothing but area enclosed by the image of the wire is minus of v square minus u square into a naught. So that is equals to minus of, here v square nothing but 50 by 3. Here we are writing v, this implies, this can be written as area enclosed by the image of the wire is equals to minus of v by u whole square into a naught. So that is equals to 50 by 3 into 25 whole square into 9. Here the square side they given as 3, so 3 square 9, so that is equals to minus 50 by 25 into 3. Here we are getting 50 into 50 by 25 ones are 25 twos are, So 2 square, how much? 2 by 3 whole square. 2 by 3 whole square. 2 square 4, 3 square 9 into 9. So 9 gets cancels. So area enclosed by the image of the wire is equals to minus, here we are getting 4 centimeter square. 9 gets cancelled, the remaining is 4 minus 4 centimeter square. This is the final answer. Okay, area enclosed by the image of the wire is 4 centimeter minus 4 centimeter whole square, minus 4 centimeter square. Okay, next we will go to the next question. An infinitely long rod lies along the axis of a concave mirror of focal length f. The near end of the rod is at a distance u is greater than f from the mirror. Its image will have a length. Here in this question they given as u1 as u. Now first now let us go to the solution. Here we have to calculate the length of the image. Image will have a length. What is the length of the image? Now let us go to the solution. Suppose this is a concave mirror. Now a principal axis, and from infinity to this, here infinitely long rod. So this infinitely a long rod, here we are placing, this is u2 and this is u1. Placing a rod lies along the, this is the axis of a principal axis of a concave mirror of focal length f. So here they given as u1 is equals to u and u2 is equals to infinity. Now v1 is equals to f u1 by u1 minus f. So this implies v1 is equals to f u by u minus f. Now v2 is equals to f u2, nothing but they given as infinity by u2 minus f, infinity minus f. So v2 is equals to f into infinity by infinity. Infinity gets cancels, we are getting v2 is equals to, therefore v2 is equals to f. Now next length of image. Next, length of the image is, length of image is, that is equals to v1 minus v2. So v1 minus v2 is equals to v1 nothing but f u by u minus f minus f. So that is equals to, taking LCM, fu minus f of u minus f by u minus f. So that is equals to fu minus fu minus into minus plus f square by u minus f plus uf minus uf cancel. So v1 minus v2 is equals to f square by u minus f. So therefore length of image v1 minus v2 is equals to, we are getting f square by u minus f. This is the final answer. Okay, next we'll go to the next question. A convex and a concave mirror of radii 10 centimeters each are facing each other 15 meters apart. a point object is placed midway between them, then the position of final image if the reflection first takes place at the concave and then convex mirror. Now let us go to the solution. Here we are placing the convex mirror. This is a convex mirror. This is convex mirror and it is concave mirror. This is concave mirror and it is convex mirror. This is concave mirror. So here we are placing, this is the principal axis and we are placing the object here, and which is here a pole P1 and here pole P2. Here focal length, this focal length they given as 5 centimeter, and from here to here object distance they given as 15 by 2 centimeters. So here F is equals to minus 15 centimeter and U is equals to minus 15 by 2 centimeters. Now this in between this, here in this question they given a convex and concave mirror of radii 10 meters, each are facing each other and 15 centimeters apart. So from here to here they given as 15 centimeter. Okay, next. Now image by concave mirror. Image by concave mirror is, from the mirror formula we are using 1 by u plus 1 by v is equals to 1 by u plus 1 by v is equals to 1 by f. Substituting values, minus 1 by 15 by 2 plus 1 by v is equals to minus 1 by 5. So now here we are getting v is equals to 15 centimeter. Now 1 by v is equals to minus 1 by 5 plus, here this can be written as minus becomes plus 2 by 15. Now here we are doing LCM. Here 5 and 15 LCM. 5 1 ja, 5 3 ja, next LCM is 15. 5 3 ja 15 minus 3 here. Now 2 minus 3 plus 2 minus 1. So 1 by v is equals to, we are getting minus 1 by 15. Now v is equals to, from this v is equals to minus 15 centimeter. This is the image, v is equals to minus 15 centimeter. Image is formed at P2, that is at pole of the convex mirror, and image of P2 is formed at P2 itself. Okay, now here image is formed at P2, that is pole of the convex mirror. P2, that is at pole of convex mirror. Pole of convex mirror, and image of P2 is formed at P2 itself. Image of P2 is formed at P2 itself. Okay, now this is the conclusion. Now here we calculated a image by a concave mirror is V is equals to minus 15 centimeters. Thanks for watching this video.